Siyabonga mhlonishwa abantu abadala amakhosi aphelele la ngithi niyazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ine-history neKwaZulu Natal. Yabakhumbula uVisa Dlamini akushuli 10-10 Mzimande baphuma khona la 1970 le qembu lastarta la eSoweto ePhefeni eSenzo Street ubaba Mtawu ngabuya ephesheya athi azosolva ukuncane nyana kwenzakala kuyo Orlando Pirates isayina ukuthi kuzame iKaizer Chiefs. So ngamanje abahlonitshwa sibonga ukuthi sihloniphe ubaba uShenge umhlonitshwa omkhulu i-icon not only to the Zulu nation but nje isizwe yejikelele. Ubaba usebenzile and contributed a lot politically and culturally, and that needs a round of applause. So just to be invited to play this game is an honor. Ubaba Mtawu, Dr. Mtawu ngathi ngidlulise umlayezo ukuthi uyabonga ukuthi lisimeme. We bring all the players, the big guns, and anybody between these teams that would be trying to stop us on the day, they'll be doing that at their own pace.